we spent so much time playing back rooms and not promoting them well and trying to figure out what the band was before we wanted to like make a big promo push.
Was that intentional that, you know, you're just getting started, so let's figure out who we are before we start telling the world that they should pay attention to us? Or was it just like you were just figuring things out the hard way?
From the get-go with this band, undeniable has been the word that I've been using with those guys. It's like, we have to be so good that you walk into any club in the country and they're like, holy shit.
Yeah.
So that's what I said. We need to practice and we need to play in front of different audiences and all these shitty bars. And
to get to that level of undeniability.
On stage and just feel like we can go and kick ass no matter what.
That's a really good point. And I talk to bands all the time who they've played 6 shows and they're like, okay, we're ready to go on tour and we're ready to get big opening slots and we're ready for this. And then I'll like go out to their show. I'm like, cool, like let me check out the show. And it's like I see the potential. I'm like, oh, you have good voices and the songs are good, but it's just like the chemistry isn't there. You're not quite there. And so what would you tell those bands when they're still kind of growing, what they should be focusing on when they're really in that early stage when maybe they aren't quite at that undeniability level?
I think it's just about doing the work. I mean, with most things in life, it's just putting one foot in front of the other and continually rehearsing and not being lazy about the promotion side of things and not expecting things to come. Yeah. You know, just like you said, they don't come to you.